Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to replace the registration number plate light bulb for a Peugeot 208 from 2012 to 2019. Okay, let's get started. In this gap here, you need like a flat screwdriver or a plastic flathead, something like this. So these two types will be effective to get in between that plastic cover to open and release that cover. So as you can see, I've used the plastic tool. So this is your light bulb here. So in order to take this out, this is what you need to do. Put both of your fingers on the tip of the light bulb and just wiggle it out. Just pull it and wiggle and it should release from there. So just bear with me. I'm going to release this from which I have. So this is how it looks like. So 501 12 volt W5W light bulb. So just vice versa, you slot it back in that little slot there, just like this. And it's in. If your light bulb is not coming out, now if you try to wiggle it and it doesn't come out, then what you need to do is put your screwdriver, the flathead one, at the very end here, apply some pressure here and wiggle it out and your light bulb will come out. Only do this if you cannot pull it out for some reason, it's jammed or you're not having no luck at all. So you may have to do that if obviously plan A doesn't work out and you try to pull it out with your fingers. Then use the flat screwdriver. Then just put the cover, obviously try the light to see if it's on, which it is, and just put the cover back in, and that's it. I hope this video has helped you.